This young guy found an old electric heater in the corner of a storage room. At his family's old house, the casing was covered in dust. The wire mesh was rusted in patches. The rubber on the power cord had cracked, and the plug was broken in half. When he turned the knob, nothing happened. There was also a rattling sound inside, like something had come loose. He brought the old heater back to his own place. After removing the casing, he found thick dust inside, several broken sections of heating wire, and burnt connection leads. He took every part apart, piece by piece. He sanded and de-rusted the casing, then gave it a fresh coat of paint. He cleaned the wire mesh and carefully straightened the bent parts with pliers. He replaced the heating wire with new ones, rewired the connections, and swapped in an old-style rotary knob of the same type. The whole job took nearly 2 days. Once it was reassembled, he plugged it in and turned the knob. The heating wire slowly glowed red, and warm air blew out steadily without any strange noise. He placed the restored heater in the corner of the living room. Now, when the older folks in the family watch TV in winter, they don't have to rub their hands together anymore. An old heater that was falling apart. Just like that, it found its purpose again. Most of the time, things don't break beyond repair. It's just that no one is willing to take the time to open them up and look inside. Once you dare to try, you'll find that many old things are tougher than you think. After watching this video, if you have some old appliance lying around at home, why not dig it out and give it a shot? If you think the craftsmanship is pretty good, hit like.